Friends, and welcome back to our channel. In this video I will show you how to enable dark mode in Microsoft PowerPoint. So without wasting your time, let's get started. First of all, open your Microsoft PowerPoint application and all you have to do is click on File and then click on More and click on Options, and a new window will appear, and here you can see Office theme. I have selected colorful theme, so that's why I am looking this theme is looking white, but I will click on this arrow and here you will see different options. As I want to enable dark mode, I will click on black and click on OK, and you can see dark mode on PowerPoint has been enabled successfully. So guys, in this way you can enable or turn off or turn on dark mode in Microsoft PowerPoint very easily. If this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.